Hi, everybody. David Skarica here. So another stock chart of the day. So we're going to have two charts again. I'm actually going to show one I showed just a few days ago because I think it's important because it has to do with the company that we're going to discuss today in stock chart of the day. So this is the 3-month treasury bill, and very interesting. You can see that was at 5% back before the financial crisis, did get back up to 2.5%. To go back 20 years, yeah, it was again at 5% right before the dot-com bust. So, and you can see, so rates got nowhere near as those highs, and now, actually, for a little bit last year and just a few weeks ago, and went negative. Right now, it's only 0.05%, and that's not like 0.5%. That is basically 1/20th of a percent. That's what that is. So like, for example, 1 would be 1%. So this is 1/20th of a percent. So basically you're getting nothing on short-term treasuries. Just kind of important because the Fed met, what they're talking about. Biden did his spending plans on top of the $2 trillion for infrastructure, another 1.8 trillion on top of that, on top of the 2 trillion that's already done. So basically they've now spent 30% of GDP, and this is the key. The rates have to stay low for them to be able to do that. So what we're seeing from this spending and money printing is copper and prices. And it looks like copper could be breaking out here. We can see that 06, 07, 2010, 2011, when we got into this $4 to $4.50 range, copper really, would have problems there. And then, in each case started bear markets. So now it looks like if we kind of blow out through this area, who knows where copper could go? $6, $7, etc. So that brings us to our chart of the day, our company chart of the day, which is PEX.v, Pacific Ridge Exploration, one of the few pure junior copper plays out there. Mike and I do have a consulting contract with this company. I did an interview with them earlier in the month, and you can see that the stock has gone from about 10, 11 cents, since we started talking about them earlier in the month, to 17.5 now. And the news out on the company today is, we're going to quickly look here. They're raising $1.5 million. Most of it is already 70% of it is already going to Prescott Capital. So you can see that most of this is already bought by an institution, which is great because it means they won't really have problems. Obviously won't have problems kind of raising funds here. So anyhow, I just thought I'd show you that. So excellent that they can use this for a drill program and really get things moving now. And the stock structure is still quite tight in it. The share structure, you can see only an $8 million market cap at these levels. So plenty of room for this to run. And again, disclosure, do have a consulting contract. So that's the stock chart of the day. Rates basically at zero. Copper prices might be doing a massive long-term breakout here. And PEX.v, a pure copper junior, not many of them around, announcing that it's raised 1.5 million, or raising 1.5 million, with about $1 million already wrapped up from one institutional investor. So thanks for joining me. I will be back on the camera tomorrow. And I hope you continue to enjoy Stock Chart of the Day.